My favorite subject. Is. Which of the following is a noun? Dog. What is the correct past tense of the word run? Ran. Which sentence is correctly punctuated? Do you have a pen? He dash play football every day. Plays. What is the opposite of the word big? Small. Which word is spelled correctly? Receive. Identify the adverb in the sentence. She sings beautifully. Beautifully. What type of sentence is this? Please close the door. Imperative. Which word is a conjunction? And. Choose the correct homophone for the sentence. I love the dash of flowers in the garden. Sent. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe our channel.